What's up, crypto investors? Welcome to another Moonward Capital Crypto Pulse Flash Update, your condensed, high-octane dose of what's actually moving the crypto markets right now. I'm bringing you the 6-minute breakdown of everything professional crypto investors need to know on this Saturday, March 30th, 2025. Let's dive straight into the market matrix. Bitcoin's holding steady at $82,935, up a slight 0.47%, while Ethereum's down 1.74% at $1,817, and Solana's fallen 1.01% to $124.78. The Fear and Greed Index has plummeted to 36.49, firmly in fear territory, continuing a 10-day downward trend that should have your attention. The biggest story you need to watch: two Ethereum whale positions are literally on the edge of liquidation. We're tracking 125,603 ETH, that's $238 million, with liquidation thresholds at $1,805 and $1,787. ETH is currently trading at $1,817, meaning we're just $12 away from potentially triggering a massive liquidation cascade. These positions have health ratios of just 1.07, which is dangerously close to forced selling. One whale used 60,810 ETH as collateral to borrow 75.69 MDII, while another whale has 64,793 ETH at risk. Neither has added collateral despite the increasing danger. If these liquidations trigger, expect significant selling pressure across the entire market. Meanwhile, a potentially massive technological breakthrough has gone almost completely unnoticed. Aptos quietly achieved an unprecedented 22,032 transactions per second on mainnet in block hash 310, 250,629 last week. This shatters previous records, more than doubling Solana's peak of 10,605 TPS and far exceeding competitors like Near and Algorand. The achievement happened on March 26th, but has flown under the radar. With Aptos April trending in social conversations, this could signal preparation for a major network upgrade announcement. Keep this on your radar as a potential catalyst. Let's break down what's moving by sector. L1 blockchains dominate at 38.04% mindshare, their highest level in recent days. Surprisingly, Memecoins have surged to 8.75% mindshare, up from 5.59% yesterday, bucking the overall market trend. Meanwhile, DeFi has dropped to just 3.58%, showing continued sector rotation. Speaking of Memecoins, the Ghibli AI trend has created a sensation after ChatGPT's 4.0 model enabled Studio Ghibli-style image generation. High-profile figures including Elon Musk and Sam Altman joined in, triggering multiple Ghibli-themed tokens. The dollar Ghibli token on Solana has seen explosive volume exceeding $142 million with extreme volatility. We're tracking one early investor who turned $1,140 into $224,000 with a 196x return. In governance news, Hyperliquid is launching a fully on-chain validator voting system following the controversial Jelly token incident. The first vote on MiCA contract delisting is scheduled for today. The protocol will compensate affected Jelly long position holders at $0.037555 per token, while implementing comprehensive risk management updates. This represents a significant step toward greater decentralization in DeFi protocols. Don't forget that tomorrow marks the EU MiCA stablecoin compliance deadline. Major exchanges, including Binance and Kraken, are finalizing stablecoin delistings, with USDT, DAI, and TUSD among those being removed for EEA users. Only 10 firms are currently authorized to issue MiCA-compliant stablecoins in the EU. This could create liquidity shifts you'll want to watch for when markets open Monday. Here's what you need to watch in the next 48 hours. ETH whale positions and potential liquidation cascade if prices drop further. Weekend trading patterns with 70% reduced volume from peak levels. Final preparations for the EU MiCA stablecoin deadline. Hyperliquid validator vote on MiCA delisting today. Potential short squeeze opportunities with deeply negative funding rates on SOL, minus 0.0159. That's your Crypto Pulse Flash update for today. Remember, we're in a critical market phase with significant liquidation risk, so position accordingly. If you found this valuable, Hit subscribe, enable notifications, and I'll see you in 12 hours for our next update. This is Moonward Capital, keeping you ahead of the crowd.